Hello guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Tech Sajawal, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. My topic: how we buy heater from Alibaba.
So first of all, we have to install the Alibaba app. After that, we have to open the Alibaba app and search here in the search box. Here you can see it. I'm writing here heater. After writing heater, you have to search for that, and you can see that basically different samples are came in front of you. So here you can see it. Different samples came in front of you. So basically, I'm going to click on that one. So here you can see it. It's going to be open. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see it still searching. You can see it basically three samples are available in this one. You can see it here. A video demo option is also available. So basically if you want to watch a video demo, then you click on that video option. Here you can see it, another sample in front of you, and here is the highlights of the product. So basically $13.20, minimum order 2000 pieces, portable easy use halogen electric heater fan 40 400 800 1200 watt infrared heater. Here you can see that one reviews are also given and two orders are already placed. So number one, most popular in desktop infrared heater. Membership benefits are also available. So join Alibaba.com membership for $6, 500 coupons and more. Variations, select from 4 plug type, 1 electric heater type, 1 color. You can see that here different variations are also available. So basically if you talk about the key attributes, then you can see that here. Here you can see it. Industry specific attributes: heating element, halogen installation, desktop, freestanding, portable, function adjustable, thermostat, overheat protection, tip over protection, use bathroom, bedroom, living room. Other attributes: after sales service provided, non warranty 1 year, specification 400 800 and 1200 watt, application hotel, commercial household, power source, electric, app control no, place of origin Zhejiang China, brand name Kazir, model number NSB 120 2014A, GW NW 3.50 per 3.0 kg, controller manual switch, color black, voltage customers requirement, material plastic, packing color box, size 325 into 167 into 618 mm, feature fast heating. So packaging and delivery, you can see that here packaging details: 40 HQ container, 2000 pieces, 1 pieces in 1 color per carton box, size 325 into 167 into 618 mm, carton box plus printed color paper insert or according to customers requirement. Port of dispatch Ningbo, selling units, single item, single package size 35 into 19 into 64 centimeter, single gross weight 3.5 kg, supply capacity, supply ability 1000 pieces per day. So here you can see it, sample price $19 per piece. Select from plug type, 4 electric heater, you can see it type 1 color 1. So basically if you want to see a sample, then you have to click on the get sample option. Purchase details, but different purchasing details are also given here. Protection with trade assurance, shipping contact supplier to negotiate shipping details, enjoy on time dispatch guarantee. Different payments methods are also given here. You can see it. Enjoy encrypted and secure payments, returns and refunds, eligible for refunds within 30 days of receiving products. Order with confidence, verified as custom manufacturer, and tailored customization and dedicated production. Supplier capabilities are also given here. You can see it. Lead time, the amount of time from order placement until dispatch, 45 days plus pieces, 45 days 1 plus pieces to be negotiated 2000 plus pieces. Reviews, product reviews, no overall rating yet. Here you can see it. And store reviews are also given here. You can see it. So basically if you want to buy this heater, then you can see the send inquiry option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on the send inquiry option for buying this heater. Thanks for watching this video.